Yo, what is up guys? It's Reefs. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we got a special video. Well, not really too special, but pretty interesting topic. Today, we're going to be talking about how I was able to make $50 a day passively on Instagram. Now, before we get started, I would really appreciate if you leave a like on this video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And I also made my bed, and I made everything look presentable, which takes about 30 seconds. Therefore, you should leave a like. Also, if you guys are not subscribed already, I would really appreciate if you guys would subscribe. Around half of you guys aren't subscribed, and you should be, because I make
mediocre content
that you just need to watch. So, therefore, you should subscribe. Also, before we get started, now I'm credible. Now, you guys can actually listen to me. I am credible now. Now I actually can give you guys this information and it will make sense. Now you're probably wondering how I was able to make $50 a day passively on Instagram. First, let's talk about what I was doing on Instagram and what kind of pages I was running to actually get this money first. The pages that I was running were around 5 to 10 theme pages in the Instagram TikTok niche, where I repost TikToks that are relatable, that hit the explore page often, and just like really targeted relatable content towards teens. And pretty much I was posting on those accounts every single day. Now, to talk about how I was actually able to make $50 a day passively, which I do have proof, here it is. Here's the good old PayPal earnings. Anyway, as you guys can see, I was withdrawing every day and every other day, making it 100% passively, and I'm going to talk about how I was able to do that. I was able to do that through this app called the Plug app. The Plug app is a hub of offers where you get paid a certain amount of money per download for an app. Now, I was using this app called the Fitness app, and I was getting around $1 per download for each advertisement. And so what I was doing is I had my Instagram theme pages. I would be posting every day, and once a week I would post an ad. Now, I wasn't posting the ads that came on the Plug app, because the reason I wasn't posting the ads that were already on the Plug app is that most likely my followers and pretty much everyone else have already seen these ads. So if they've already seen it, then they're less likely to engage with the ad. And I want engagement so you can actually hit the explore page and get actually a lot of downloads. So here's what I did. Instead of using the ads already on the Plug app, which is totally fine, you can use those and they do work, I chose the route of making my own ads, which turned out a lot better because I was able to get 20,000 likes on my first post on just one of my accounts, and the ad did very, very well. 200,000 views, 20,000 likes, around 5,000 website clicks, and I was able to get a lot of downloads. I was posting this ad once a week, changing it up slightly so that my followers didn't get uninterested in the ad and they wouldn't recognize it the next time that they saw it. So every time you can get your followers to not recognize something, then they're more likely to engage with it rather than seeing the same thing every single time on their feed. So that's a big tip that I have for you guys. If you guys are going to use the Plug app, then I would recommend that you make your own ads so that it's something that they haven't seen and something that they want to engage with, and people will like the video. I made it interesting. I made it in a TikTok format, something that they actually are going to want to watch, and then not even realize that it's an ad, and then they realize it's an ad, and then they go to the bio because they really like the app, and they go download the app. And this worked out very well. I was able to do about $50 a day, some days 100, some days 80. It worked very, very well. It's just about picking the right theme, the right niche, and the right targeted ads for your audience. That's just really what it came down to. And I can get into that a little bit more. I have other videos. I'll link a video right here talking about how I was able to do it, and it kind of goes more into depth about it. But today I was kind of talking about just my passive income, and this was all passive. All I had to do was create the ad, post it on my Instagram, and it just went on the feed, and all passively I was getting downloads throughout the day. I able to make $50 around per day. If you guys do want to go check out the app and try it out, make your own ads and stuff, because I actually do recommend using this for if you have a theme page. I do recommend using this, or if you're on Snapchat, pretty much any social media, I recommend using this app because it's just another way to earn passive income. I'm not being paid or sponsored by them. Just go check it out if you want. Go download it. Also, I do have some referral codes though, where you will get some plug coins if you guys used the referral code, and you can trade that in for monetary amount. Anyway, that's pretty much what I had to talk about. So in conclusion, I had around 10 theme pages where I would post this ad, and the ad was about a fitness app where I got $1 per download, and pretty much what I would do is change up the ad every week and repost it so that my audience would engage with it, and it would hit the explore page and more people wanted to engage with it. I got a bunch of comments, a bunch of likes, something that is disguised as an ad. And that's pretty much all you have to do. It was pretty simple. It only took 10 minutes to make the ads, and it's fairly easy to use on the app. And I would just cash out, go straight to my PayPal, and send it to my bank account. So that's pretty much all I have for today, guys. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or anything, I'm super happy to answer any questions that you guys have in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys could leave a like on this, I would really appreciate it. These videos do take a while to make, so if you guys could subscribe with post notifications turned on, I would also really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Reeves.